Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are in a good health and good spirit. So today in this video I am going to show you that how you can delete your YouTube channel permanently. Actually, sometimes you make your YouTube channel accidentally. When we need to comment anyone or the video, that time we need to create a YouTube channel, right? And sometimes also we create our YouTube channel accidentally. If you don't want to use your YouTube channel, so if you really want to delete your YouTube channel, my video is very important for you, because in this video I will show you the very easiest process for deleting your YouTube channel. Okay, and I hope you will understand my words. So before starting the video, I will tell you something, that please subscribe my channel and also like my video. So let's start. Okay, first of all you will need to go to the Play Store and make sure that your YouTube application is up to date. So if your application is not updated, so click on the update option. So after updating the YouTube application, you will need to update the another application, which is Gmail. So the Gmail is not updated, so click on the update option. So the Gmail application is up to date. So after update the Gmail, you will need to go to your YouTube application. So in the YouTube application, so in the right corner you can see that this is the YouTube channel icon. So click on at upper. I have a YouTube channel, right? This is waste and I don't want to use this YouTube channel. If you want to delete this channel permanently, so for deleting this, click on the manage your Google account. So click on it. You have to go to the data and privacy. So scroll it gently. Okay, you will need to click on the delete a Google service, and one thing, that don't click on the delete your Google account. So scroll up and this is the delete a Google service. So click on it. Wait few seconds until it is open. Okay, this is open, and click on the continue option. After, so it may need my fingerprint, so click on it. Firstly I'm telling you one thing, that the Gmail account sometimes need your password of your Gmail account, so you have to put your password. So you can see in here that I have got a YouTube channel, right? So you can also see a delete icon, so you have to click on the delete icon. So click it, and you can see that the first one is I want to hide my channel, and the second one is I want to permanently delete my content. So click on the second one, and this is the instructions. These are the your one YouTube channel, your 50 subscribers to other channel, comment your replies and thumbs. You have to click on tick option, so, and also click on the second one. So click on delete my content. So type in your email address. So type the email address. So after type the Gmail address, you have to click on delete my content. Your content is being deleted, and your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes, but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. By this very easiest process, you can delete your YouTube channel permanently. Thanks.